So it's been a pretty wild week. I have redesigned my entire website, implemented some new features, and we've done it all for about $348. The new site has a email opt-in where we're collecting emails. I have an ebook downloadable where I'm also collecting emails, and I've applied the brand and look and feel that we've established in the last video. If it sounds like a lot, or if you're in the same situation that I was a week ago, stay tuned because I'm going to walk you through every step I took to get this done. So starting out, we used Canva to create the ebook. We used Divi as the page builder. We used Be Superfly as the child theme. And then we used a free HubSpot account for our CRM. So first up, we need to head over to Divi, get the lifetime access membership. There is a 30-day free trial if this isn't right for you. So I've really loved working with Divi, so I'm sure you will too. Now, with that bought, go over to the members area, account and product downloads. Here, we're going to download the Divi theme. The file downloads as a zip file. We want to keep it in the zip file because we're going to need that to add it to our WordPress account. So now open up your WordPress and we're going to go over to Appearance and then find this themes button right here. We're going to open that and we're going to upload the theme that we just downloaded from Divi. So I'm going to find that zip file that we just downloaded and we can drag and drop it right here and we should be good to go. So for the child theme, I'm using a Be Superfly theme and they have this cool builder. So I have Phoenix, so I will select Phoenix. And inside of this builder, what I can do is look at all the different modules that were included and kind of build my site here. I'll drop the link in the description below so you can kind of play with this as well. But it was super helpful when building this site on WordPress because I already knew the modules where I wanted them to go. And if I didn't like it, I just came back here and fixed it. So after playing with that a bit, I did go and buy the theme. I'll drop a link in the description below that you can use as well. Now that we have bought it, what we need to do is download the theme, right? And again, it's a zip file. So when we download it, keep it in the zip. And we'll bring that over to WordPress and we're going to add it to the same theme section. So Appearance Themes, upload, drop in that zip file, and you should be good. Now inside of WordPress, we do need to import the Phoenix demo content. Just import the demo content. It'll take a few minutes to load everything, but once that's in, we're ready to start building. Here I am putting in the work, but first I did put the site in a coming soon state. So now that we have everything set up, we can actually start building. So let's jump into that now. So back to the Superfly page builder, I can kind of design my page here and then head over to WordPress and the pages and select Add New. From here, we're just going to build out a quick test page and we're going to use a Divi builder and we're going to build from scratch. So now with the new page, what we need to do is start building this page out. So we need to add sections, full width sections, and from these sections, we're going to select Add from Library. Now this library is going to be everything that we've pulled over from our Superfly theme. So if I'm looking for Hero 1, I'll just type it in, and I'm going to find Hero 1 in this list, and I'm going to select Use This Section. And boom, there it is, Hero 1. Delete this top section and we can continue to build this page by just stacking those blocks on top of each other. So let me grab this, add from library, and let's add general 13. Have no idea what this is, but it really shows you how easy it is to work with this child theme, right? They've really given you a lot of options to build out your site. So we'll just keep stacking these on top of each other until we get something that aligns with our vision. And from there, we can start changing out the content pretty easily as well. Now for the copy, you could definitely write it all yourself, or you can get some assistance from an AI like ChatGPT or Google Bard. Now this is a free option and I kind of use it as a co-pilot, right? Like, hey, help me write this specific section in a way that does X, right? So really great option here. It's pretty easy, right? You're going to have this site done in no time. I mean, honestly, I did everything that we're walking through in a few nights, right? So it's pretty powerful and super easy to work with. But now we need to start thinking about the ebook because we want something valuable to give away. So let's dive into that now. Designing the ebook is probably the easiest part. Just head over to Canvas, type in ebook at the top, and boom, you are going to be served a bunch of different options. Now, a lot of these are in the pro plan, but you do have options like this one that is in the free plan. The hardest part about an ebook is probably getting the words, right? So, take your time, think of something that's going to be valuable for your users. Here's mine that I've put together. It's 25 questions all investors should ask their syndicator. Images will be changed, but you can see it's just 25 questions helping somebody understand what they should be asking of the person that's going to be running a real estate deal. Canva makes it so easy to design just about anything, so you should have this ebook ready in no time. So now that we have our ebook, we need a way to collect emails and we need a way for the user to download it once we have collected their email. So we're going to use HubSpot for both of those. I'm using the free plan. I'll upgrade eventually, but for what I need right now, starting out, the free plan works. So create an account first in HubSpot, and then we're going to create a list. We'll do that right now. From HubSpot, we're going to go to contacts. From here, we're going to scroll down to lists. And here's my list here. We'll go to create list and we'll just give this a quick test name, contact based, and make sure that it is a static list. We'll hit next. We'll just save this list currently and we'll give this page a quick reset, a refresh. And there we go. Here's our test list. Perfect. Now to connect that new list to Divi, we need a key. So in HubSpot, go to settings, private apps, and create a new private app. We'll just name this test. And then from here, we're going to click on scopes and then go to the CRM section. And now we need read and write permissions for CRM.list. And we also need CRM.objects.contracts to have write permissions. So see those three? We'll create the app and then the code that it generates, we'll use that over on Divi to link our list in HubSpot. Now over in Divi, I have this opt-in already built. You see the accredited investor question. So let's rebuild this. We'll add from library, and from here, we'll just go to opt and we'll find opt-in number 1 and use this section. There we go. So this is how it comes over. We'll go to the settings, scroll down, and then email account, we'll select HubSpot, and then the list, we'll select test. You may have to fetch lists to get them to show. Now I didn't show this, but over in HubSpot, I do have custom fields. So I can add that in and style it. My custom field is accredited investors. We'll make the text here black. And then we'll select this whole section and we'll go to design. We'll find the body text and scroll down. And then the body text color, we'll make a darker color so you can see it. So we're almost done. All we need now is a way for our ebook to be downloaded from the website. And how we're going to do this, it's pretty simple. We'll create a page where the ebook opt-in lives. And then once they put in their information, we'll have that lead to a success page where we can actually put the download into a button. So when the user clicks on it, it just downloads to their browser. So let's walk through that now. So HubSpot makes it really easy and free to create lead magnet downloads. So in the marketing section, find email, then find more tools and files. In this section, we're going to upload our lead magnet. Make sure it's a zip file so it downloads when the user clicks it. We'll copy this URL and get ready to bring it back over into Divi. Now back over in Divi, what we do is we add that link to a button or text. So for example, if I have a CTA, let me just add this section real quick. Then we'll go into the edit portion and then you see how that's a link. Well, we're just going to take that link and use the link that we got from HubSpot. Remember, it has to be a zip file. So here's mine in action. You have to fill out my form, which ties to HubSpot. Then you land on the success page where you can actually download the ebook. So pretty simple, straightforward, not bad, looks good. I like it. And just like that, we have our site built out. Now this is mine in action, and it's not completely done, right? Like there's still some things that I need to fill out, but you know what? I think this looks pretty sharp for $348. We have this invest with us. See those shoes. I'll change that out. These cars and everything with pictures that, resonate with me. I have a blog here with another opt-in that's tied to HubSpot and the different content that I've created. And then we have the ebook. So you fill out your information, type in you're an accredited investor or not. We'll do a fake email because I think I already have my email listed in HubSpot. Download the guide. And there it is. There's the download. Boom. And switching over to HubSpot, go to the contacts. And there we are. That's me with the fake email. Boom. We're done. That is what I spent last week working on. And I know I still have a few things that I need to kind of clean up, but that is, to me at least, a really good foundation for me to continue to build off of. So listen, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel, drop a comment, like all that fun stuff, and we'll see you next time.